In our previous video, we have discussed about bacteria. Now we are going to discuss viruses. These are very small organisms, so tiny they are that they cannot be observed except with the help of an electronic microscope. Unlike bacteria, they can only grow in living cells, so tiny that they pass through the smallest pores, and their first attack usually produces immunity for life. The diseases caused by them are timps, measles, mumps, poliomyelitis, smallpox, chickenpox, influenza, common cold, yellow fever, and sandfly fever.